okay. It doesn't have sound. It's cheap. It's a cheap camera. Yeah, she just has to go around, I think, one more time. She has to do everything equally. The vet. Yeah, show you a donkey. My husband says she looks like a mule. What does she say when she wants her to canter? She grabs her crop and she throws it forward and she goes, "Charge!"